Morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Jess Rockatansky here at the Rockatansky Rod Shop. It's Friday, it's sunny, and we're working on stuff. So I'm doing something today that I know you've all been waiting for. I too have been waiting to see it. We are going to put this cab on this frame and make Black Betty semi-complete again. So we're going to take it off of this bent, twisted, mangled frame, and we're going to put it over here on this nice frame we've been working on. And I know y'all are excited about it because I'm excited about it too. I know y'all been waiting to see this. So here it goes. Let the good times roll. Okay, we got the cab up. We're going to air up these front tires on the frame, move some stuff around. We've got this set up. We've got the exhaust system done. These are thrush welded mufflers. It's a full welded exhaust system. 2.5 in to the muffler, 3-inch out. Should sound pretty good. We've got our headers on. We're down to pretty much getting the cab on it, and wiring it and firing it. So I'm going to work on getting these tires aired up and try to push this out and get it turned out there, and get it lined up, and then ease the cab on it. So we'll go get the compressor fired up and see about getting some air in these tires. guys, that's kind of where we're at on it. I've got those cab mounts just stuck in there and the bolts in them. They're not really torqued down. Just snug enough I can push it around and get it back under the carport. And, start patching the floor up. Get the bed on it. That type of stuff. So, I think we're going to call it a day. And pick back up on it later. I just had a little bit of time and had the tractor at my disposal, so decided to get this done and make a quick video, and hope y'all enjoy the content. If you like what we're working on, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you back here next time. Have a good one.